Let's say you're driving on a road. Then you hit a sharp object. Could be a rock, could be a knife. What you gotta do? Call your grandpa, family member, or someone to fix it for you, which will take 30 to 1 hour. You don't have that much time for your interview. In this video, I will show you a quick way on how to replace your tire. First thing, you need to have a jack, lug wrench, and a spare tire. And wheel chocks will make it safer for you to work. A jack is needed to lift your car, to make it easier or possible for you to move your tire. A spare tire is needed to replace that deflated tire with. Lug wrench is needed to open the nuts of the tire, and is also used for the jack to lift the car up. First thing, we'll use the jack. As you see, I'm using the jack by trying to position it under the two notches in front of the tire. After positioning the jack under the tire, I start lifting the car by turning the wheel counterclockwise. After positioning the jack, you go to a tire and start loosening the nuts. You use the lug wrench to loosen it. My first step is to use your legs. It's gonna make your life way easier. And you do that for every single nut on the tire. But don't remove it, keep it loosened. Then I go back to the jack to try to lift the wheels up the ground. This will take about 10 minutes, but in this video I fast forwarded it about 2 times faster than it was. As you see, I try to see if the wheel can move easily. When that occurs, your wheels are ready to get removed. Then start removing the loosened nuts. We loosened the nuts the first time we did it to make it easier and safer for the car to not drop after lifting it with the jack. As you see, after I finish removing the nuts, I take the tire out. My tire is perfect right now, so I'm just gonna put it back in. As you see, after taking the tire out, I try to get a second tire to match it with the bolts. I start screwing the nuts in, but still a little loose. I bring the lug wrench. I start tightening it a little bit, but not that hard. We do it after we finish the whole tire, the whole side of the tire. As you see with my hands, I'm just trying to tighten it a little with the lug wrench without making it very tight and without making it a little loose. I give the tire a little. After I finish setting up the tire, I start putting the car down by using the lug wrench counterclockwise with the wheel on the jack. Putting your car back on the ground is way faster than lifting it. It only took me 3 minutes compared to the 10 minutes that it took me to lift the car. As you see, it's very fast from the video. And then now the tire is on the ground. As you see, I start using my feet to tighten these nuts. Tightening the nuts took me about 3 minutes. Wasn't that hard. It was probably the easiest step in the whole process. This video is finished, and hopefully it will help you whenever you're stranded in the middle of the road with a deflated tire. You'll be able to replace your own tire in just about 15 minutes. Thank you, and I hope this video will find you good. Have a good day.